everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would like to apologize in advance for my voice. I am dealing with my first cold in 4 years because we just came back from England. We had an absolutely amazing time, and after I came back, my system was worn down. We were up super early every morning and out late every night because you're just not in England very often, and we wanted to make the most of literally every minute we had. So it just worked out for us to go super last minute. Within 2 weeks of deciding to go on the trip, we were able to fly out. I usually have a super hard time with jet lag, and so because we had a short time, I knew I had to make every minute count. So thank God I was able to find anti-jet lag, some sort of homeopathic herbal something that helped me. This was us, the first picture in the airport, and 24 hours later, without sleeping at all, we hit the ground running in Fortnum Mason's. Fortnum Mason is one of my favorite stores in the world. It's in London, in Piccadilly. It has been there since 1707, and it's absolutely incredible. They've got red carpets and chandeliers and tea and lemon curd and cookies, and it's just this really super cool place. This is also the place where the platinum pudding competition for Queen Elizabeth's Platinum Jubilee just took place. You may have seen it on the BBC One. But I ordered a miniature version of the winning recipe. It's called the Lemon Swiss Roll and Amaretti Trifle. And then I also ordered the Platinum Jubilee Blend tea. You can see the little teal corgi there. Teal is like Fortnum's official color. Everything is like that. So this is the official dessert, which won. Mary Berry was one of the judges on the program, and it is a 7-layer dessert in honor of the 7 decades Queen Elizabeth has been on the throne. So after we had our dessert and our tea, which was the perfect way to start out a visit to London, I wanted to do custom tea blending, which I have never done before. I'm super interested in tea. I host ladies at my house for afternoon tea very regularly, and I really love the actual tea itself. I probably drink 3 cups a day, and my husband does as well. So they let you select which of 4 black teas you want to add to the basic base. Then you get to select the color of cornflowers to add as well. And this trip was just such a dream come true because I have been to England 2 times before this, both when I was single and ever since my husband and I were engaged. We promised each other we're going to go to England. Well, our first overseas trip ended up being to Israel, and then in 2020 we were supposed to go to England. I even had reservations at the Ritz for tea, and 2020 happened and we had to cancel. So they custom make a label for you, and they even let you decide what to name it. I think I just called mine England 2022. Now that we're back home, we have had a couple pots, and it's wonderful. So this is the main parade route for the Platinum Jubilee celebrations. This is what they call the Mall. We would call it the Mall. That is Buckingham Palace there at the end. And unfortunately, we were not able to get as close as you normally could because they were setting up the bleachers. And so there were all these cranes and scaffolding, and those barriers, those metal barriers, are not usually there. This was the best view we were able to get, and it was from a little ways away. So then at the end of the day, we headed to Leicester Square for the red carpet premiere of Gun Maverick. I haven't seen the movie, so I can't recommend it one way or the other, but William and Catherine were making an appearance there. This is as close as we got to them. We're seeing them on the screen around the corner, but she wore this gorgeous black velvet gown with an off-the-shoulder white cuff, so to speak. It reminded me of this gown that Queen Elizabeth wore also to Leicester Square back in the 50s, and then I have a photograph in my collection of a very similar dress up top from 57, so I just thought that was kind of cool. It was a very classic dress that she wore. That was our day one in London. I have a lot more footage that I'm going to share soon, but I just wanted to get this up and share it with you all right before the Platinum Jubilee kicks off. I think Queen Elizabeth is such an incredible woman. She's super inspirational, and if you have not studied about her, I really encourage you to do that. So thank you so much for watching. I have lots more coming soon, and I will see you next time here on the Edelweiss Patterns YouTube channel.